Welcome to Selsicon 2024 on 17th and 18th May 2024 at Jenny's Residency, Coimbatore, where cutting-edge techniques and innovative research converge to redefine patient care. Meet Dr. K. Senthilkumar, a pioneer in the field of laparoscopic surgery. As the organizing chairman of Selsicon 2024, he has been conducting various laparoscopic training programs over years, and thousands of young laparoscopy surgeons have been molded by him. Join us for an enriching experience featuring keynote presentations, panel discussions, and workshops by leading experts in the field. Connect with like-minded professionals, expand your network, and foster collaborations that could shape the future of surgical gastroenterology. Explore the latest advancements in laparoscopy surgical gastroenterology, covering topics from minimally invasive procedures to complex surgical interventions. Engage in animal model workshops designed to experience the endoscopy skills, learn from experts, and gain practical insights. Don't miss this opportunity to be a part of the Selsicon 2024 conference. Register today at selsicon.com and secure your spot at the Selsicon 2024. We look forward to welcoming you at Selsicon 2024, Coimbatore.